When the weather's nice, it's the perfect time to fire up the grill. And the easiest dinner solution, forget burgers, it's kebabs. I love kebabs because you can customize them to your taste. I love a combination of meat and veggies. The main thing you want to remember is that you want to cut whatever ingredients you're putting on the skewer about the same size so they cook at about the same speed. Once the veggies are prepped, I'm just going to make the marinade in a bowl. Again, you can get creative. I'm doing one of our top-rated kebab recipes here. I'll start with a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, add in some honey and a little soy sauce. Whisk that up and then everything just goes in. You can marinate this up to a day before. A 3-ingredient marinade, you gotta admit, is pretty easy. I am gonna kick it up with just a little bit of crushed red pepper. I like it spicy. In go the veggies. I forgot the garlic. Just smash those, throw them in. And now for the chicken, I'm just doing boneless, skinless chicken breast. I also find that making kebabs is a good way to stretch the ingredients. You can probably get twice the amount of servings from one chicken breast when you turn it into kebabs because you've got all those other elements on the skewer. Everything's ready. Now it's just all gonna swim in that marinade together. Your hands are the best tools to get everything coated. I'll let these marinate in the fridge till I'm ready to cook. In the meantime, I'll fire up the grill. Now that everything's marinated, it's time to skewer it up. I love using wooden skewers because it makes cleanup a breeze. And skewers that are about this size are perfect for single servings. You can just transport them from the serving platter to the plate. It's just the perfect amount. The #1 thing you want to do before you put them on the grill is to soak your skewers. So while your meat and veggies are marinating, you're just gonna add them to some water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes, up to a couple hours is just perfect. You wanna soak them so they don't catch on fire or char too much on the grill. Sometimes they can get a little too brittle if they're not soaked. One of my favorite hacks that I have learned is to keep things from rolling around on the grill. Use 2 skewers and then it's really easy to flip them over. And then I like to create a pattern because I just like things aesthetically pleasing. Everyone loves food on a stick. It's a great way to get your kids to eat more veggies. I love that I've gotten 6 really hearty skewers with just 3 chicken breasts. Before you put your kebabs on the grill, you want to let some excess marinade drip off because that's just going to burn if it goes onto the flame right away, especially with all that honey in there. Just like anything we go to grill, you don't want to touch it right away. We want to let it naturally release from the grill. That's going to give it those beautiful grill marks and color, and that's what we want. Then throughout the cooking process after that, you just want to flip it occasionally. These look so beautiful. Look at all that caramelization. The veggies are cooked perfectly. The chicken's gonna be nice and juicy. The final thing you need to do is let these rest before we indulge. Just like everything, we don't want them to just seep out all their juices before we have a chance to eat. I just like to grab the perfect bite off with your fork, slide it off, and enjoy. Now you have all the tools you need to make the perfect kebabs. You style them up however you want and get cooking. You know what they say, if you can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen.